In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to work the remote start feature on a 2021 Chrysler Voyager. This also will work on a Chrysler Pacifica as well. What you're going to want to do to get the vehicle to start, typically we would do this outside of the vehicle or while we're in our house or wanting to just cool down the car or warm it up. I'm going to press the lock button one time. You'll see the indicators flash that the vehicle is now locked. And then the center button here, I'm going to press it twice. And you'll hear the vehicle start up. Now the vehicle is running. I can unlock the doors to get into the vehicle. And then once I actually get into the vehicle, to be able to drive the vehicle, I've got to press the brake pedal, and you'll notice that right now it's flashing run, so it actually won't drive until I press this one time. Now it's actually in the run position and will start to actually be able to drive the vehicle. If you thought this was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this.